what you doing, man?
I'm playing with my new volcano made out of dry ice.
Oh, man, it's awesome. All the smoke coming off.
Yeah.
Gotta be careful with dry ice. It can be dangerous,
Yeah.
so you gotta have adult supervision. But this is cool. Have you made this volcano?
Yeah.
This gives me an idea. What if we took the dry ice and we put it in the pool and made an awesome pool is lava challenge?
Cool.
Okay, I got somebody. Let's go try it out, man. Come on, just leave this here.
Bye-bye, volcano. See you later.
Check it out, Park Ranger OP. Our pool is lava.
Oh, how do you do this?
Well, I got this pool dye that I put into a bucket and mixed it up, and it kind of looked like chum when I poured it into the pool, and that's what turned the water red like lava.
Chum.
Okay, then I turned on the waterfall to make the lava flow from the volcano, and then I put in the dry ice you had to make all the bubbles and the smoke, just like a volcano.
Yeah.
Huh? Awesome. Okay, we're gonna use this for our cool pool is lava challenge. See who gets to win the challenge, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready to go over here and check it out?
Let's go.
Let's go, dude. All right, check it out, Park Ranger OB. This is what we're gonna be using for our pool is lava challenge. All these floats and toys from Jurassic World.
Cool. What's in this one?
Oh, this is the surprise dinosaur that whoever wins the challenge gets to open it up.
Cool.
Huh? That's cool, dude.
Yeah. Hey, what are the spoons for? Is it to hear the ocean?
Well,
I think
after you're done here in the ocean, you'll find out what we're gonna use it for in the pool is lava challenge, okay? All right, you ready to get going?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go put on our swimming gear and let's go jump in the lava pool.
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, Park Ranger OB, here's our first challenge in the lava pool. We're gonna do an egg race with our spoons, okay?
Okay.
So you're gonna put your dinosaur egg in the spoon and you're gonna take your float. You've got what, the T-Rex claw there?
Yeah.
And I've got, you already lost the egg race. And I got a Mosasaurus. And whoever gets to the end first wins. First you gotta get in the water because it's not lava yet, right? All right, when Park Ranger Jay gives us the countdown, as soon as she says 3, 2, 1, the pool's lava, you gotta get on the float and go for the race.
3, 2, 1, the pool is lava.
It's lava! Get out! Get out! Get out! Okay.
That's what I'm doing.
The pool's so hot! The lava's burning. I'm gonna... Oh, wait! Park Ranger OB! Wow, you're in the lava! I see it! I see my spoon! I'm gonna feed you!
Come on, Eggie! 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 I got you, Eggie! Oh, he's spoon! Hurry,
I won! Okay, Park Ranger OB, here's our second challenge. We're gonna play basketball with this Jurassic basketball hoop, but we've only got 3 minutes to do it, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, the pool is lava.
Ah, quick! Get on! Hurry! Get out of the lava! Man, the Mosasaurus! Ah, I got one! Oh! Ah, you got 3! Dude, what's that make? 5 points?
Yeah!
Oh, the bell!
Oh!
You won!
Yay!
5 to 1. I only got 1 point out of that one. Okay, you ready for the third and final challenge?
Let's go!
Okay, it's tied up at 1 each. Wonder where Owen is. This sure is a cool gyrosphere. Owen, run! The volcano! It's erupting! Run! Quick! Oh, Owen, catch up! Catch up! Oh no, a cliff! The ocean! The gyrosphere is going in! Oh no, I'm sinking!
Come back! Yay! I saved you! Yay, I saved you!
It's time for the noodle egg challenge.
Yeah!
All right, there's an egg at each end of the pool. We're gonna start off at opposite ends, and we gotta try to get the other person's egg while smacking you over the head with a noodle there, okay? Yeah, but you know what? I'm kind of thinking we need a bigger boat if someone wants it. I got an idea. Let's go over here and check this out, dude.
Woo, let's go!
Okay, we got bigger boats now, huh? You got a shark from Shark Week, and I got T-Rex.
3, 2, 1, pool is lava.
Ah, the pool's lava, I need T-Rex. Okay, what's this one called?
T-Bone the T-Rex.
Okay, yeah, like our T-Rex at the park.
I did it!
Okay.
That was fun.
This one is called Jaws. That's original, isn't it, huh?
Yeah. Ooh. Did it?
Maybe we just call it Sharkosaurus.
That looks nice.
No, it didn't hurt at all.
Sharkosaurus Rex.
Ah, better. Ooh, hey, you stayed on T-Rex.
Jaws wiped out sandwich.
Okay. Oh, you stayed on, man.
Woohoo!
This one is called the Toe Jam.
Oh, okay. Now I know why it's called Toe Jam. Now I know why it's called Toe Jam. Through the Toe Jam.
Oh, okay, go for it.
I didn't go quite through.
You got toe jammed, huh? I'm gonna see if I can dig through the toe jam here now. Here we go.
Did you make it?
I did it! I went
Yahoo!
through! This one's called Nothing But Net.
What? I don't think it worked.
Is that an air ball? Dun, 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 dun. The shark's too big, man. This one is called my cousin Earl. Because you know, like T-Rex and chickens are related.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Well, that didn't turn out really good. This one's called the Mosasaurus Gets a Strike.
Oh. Okay, this one's called the Shark Attack. Oh, man. Went up my nose, man. Fire back, man! Get it! Uh-oh. The shark ate Park Ranger LB.
Okay, Park Ranger, let's see what's in these eggs.
All right, dude.
Let's take
You
this
want to go
one.
for that one
Yeah.
first? Okay, I'll get this out of the way then.
Got it.
Oh, wow.
Whoa, what's
Cool.
this? Oh, I think that's a puzzle.
It is a puzzle.
Ooh, cool.
Yeah, let's open up and see which
Yeah.
dinosaur it is from Jurassic World. Ooh, egg. Ooh, I know what it is, but I'm not gonna share it.
Oh.
So see if we can figure it out, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go for it.
Oh.
Ooh, this is the right corner here, the lower right corner. I think this is the upper part.
Woohoo!
Ooh, and it is
Velociraptor Blue.
awesome, dude. Raptor Blue from Jurassic World. Awesome, you wanna try the next egg?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go for it.
Woohoo!
Crack that egg. Oh, it's another puzzle. I wonder which one this one is. Ooh, I know which one it is, but I'm not sharing again.
Oh.
Ooh, I think I found the bottom right corner piece there.
Okay.
That's a start. It needs
So,
some more
so-
writing. Oh, yeah, there we go.
And the final piece. Dun,
You
dun,
got
dun,
it!
Yeah.
And
Dun, dun,
it's
dun,
a
dun, Mosasaurus.
Mosasaurus.
Bum, bum,
Cool.
bum.
And looky here. Sharky is about to have a really bad
yeah.
day. Yeah, okay? All right, awesome. Good job, dude. You ready to open up the surprise then?
Yep.
Okay, let's go for it, dude. What dinosaur is that?
It's a Parasaurolophus.
That's what's on the outside. Cool.
Yep.
What's on the inside?
Okay, let's see.
Open that bag all the way up there so you get it out, because it's a tight fit. Oh, there go the sheets. Oh, well, don't worry about it. We'll get them later.
Whoa, it's a Dimorphodon.
Hey, and a Velociraptor
Cool.
from Jurassic World. Cool, dude. You ready to open these bad boys
Yeah.
up? Ah, here comes the Dimorphodon to eat the raptor. Ooh. Okay, so this is not Raptor Blue. This is a different Velociraptor.
Yeah.
Raptor Orange, I guess.
Raptor orange.
Okay, these are pretty much your standard dinosaurs, but they are from the attack pack. Oh! The Velociraptor is being attacked by the Dimorphodon. Ooh. Okay, so my question for you is, which one is a meat eater? The Velociraptor, the Dimorphodon, or both?
I think both.
Okay, I'll tell you what, let's see if our fans can tell us down in the comments below. But there's a big storm coming, so I think we gotta get out of here. Don't forget to subscribe.